The dice are calling. Do you know what time it is? It's time to play your favorite tabletop RPG. For you who are an elegant RPG professional, here is an original solution designed by ManChDa to always carry your gaming dice with you. The structure of a pocket watch, the epic engraving to inspire you even more. Accessories and all the mini dice you need. The click mechanism is precise and activated with a button. I imagine you can't wait to show your friends your collection piece. It comes in 3 colors: black, bronze and silver. Find the Amazon link in the description of this video and purchase your collector set right now.